So I'm going to be presenting a KWL chart to a 6th grade class. We're going to be starting a new novel read in our classroom, and so this is how I will present it to them. Okay, so good morning class, good morning everybody. So today, before we get started into our novel, you already have it on your desk. We're going to set it aside for a second. We're going to get out our reading journals, and you're going to turn to the next blank page in your reading journal. And remember, we're going to be keeping a journal after every chapter that we read together. Okay, so what you're going to start doing is on the blank page, you're going to fold it like a trifold. And the easiest way to do it is you grab the page, fold it to the half, but the halfway point does not have to be perfect. And then you fold it again, then you press it, and then you should have 3 parts, okay? And then so at the top, you're going to write today's date, and make sure that's very important. You write the date, and then in the first column, you're going to write no, and then you're going to write want to know for the second column, and then for this last column, you're going to put learned today. Okay, and I will have this on the projector so that you can be looking at it in case I go too fast. So I'm going to be giving you 2 pieces of information on your novel. Before we get started, I'm going to give you 2 pieces of information on it. And so before we open the book, we're going to look at just the cover page of the novel. Okay, so in the first column, you're going to write no. And the first information is I'm going to give you the title of the book. And the title of the book is The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. Okay, and I will have this projected, so in case you need to look, it's also on the cover of your book. Okay, S.E. Hinton. And then the second piece of information is the novel was written in 1967. So those are 2 pieces of information that you know because I just gave you that information. Okay, then we're going to take another minute and you're going to write, what do you want to know about the book? Based on the cover that you see before you open it, just based on the cover, like there's boys on the book. Any questions you might have, like, are they brothers? Are they a family? How old are they? And then in the very last one, what you learned today. What did you learn today? And you can write the information that I just gave you or any other information that you learned based on what you see just on the cover of the book. Okay, so you can write here what you learned today, and at the end of every chapter that we read, you will be writing in your journal. So make sure that you date it, and tomorrow when we write in it again, or the next time we read the chapter, you will have these 3 columns and you will write what you know about the book, what you want to know about maybe the next chapter, and then what you learned today. Okay, thank you.